Now, as a result of that incident, JUTC bus drivers withdrew their service, leading to chaos on the roads. Students stranded, employees deciding to return home after not being able to get a bus for work, and some private transport operators hiking their fares. Amidst all that drama, a force for good was on full display. TVJ's Anthony Lugg explains.
Police on double duty Tuesday morning. Protector and bus driver. Hundreds of students were left stranded after the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC withdrew its service due to the killing of an employee Monday night.
I was asked by the High Command to assist students along Red Hills Road that go to the Meadowbrook High School, the Calabar High School, etc.
So it's just students alone?
Right, but after the peak hour, a lot of adults were stranded in the Duane Park area. However, I transported them to the gas station here.
From halfway tree to downtown Kingston, commuters were left helpless.
Come on, we depend on the JUTC.
It's really confusing. It's really confusing.
Here's what it looked like inside the usually busy halfway tree transport center. On the outside, increased police presence. When we visited the JUTC's Rockfort depot, buses were parked. We were also informed that drivers along with union representatives were locked in a meeting with the police and the management of the company. While that was on the way, taxi operators like Jerome Walker used the crisis to their advantage.
I have to increase my fare. I know every day I go for just today alone for me. So I don't know. A normal price is $1.50, but now I charge 2 bills to come over town. I'm able to go over and charge 3 bills because I drop them at them yard gate. Simple.
Others saw things differently.
People in the car, them still tell me say $100 them have, and I still have to work with them because I am a people person.
If you want to go where you have to reach, you just have to go with the flow.
Back at the halfway tree transport center, fear and panic gripped the area sometime after midday following an alleged threat. A special unit of the police was quickly dispatched to address the issue. Meanwhile, in light of the general disruption of service and uncertainty in the public transportation system, the Education Ministry advised school administrators to dismiss classes early. School administrators are also being encouraged to assess the situation and determine if affected schools can be opened tomorrow. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News. Still